Morning friends, I'm Muskan from Bhiwani in Haryana. I have recently passed class 12th with first division. My hobby is singing. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives us opportunity to serve our country at a young age. I'm going to present my views upon the given topic, online shopping versus offline shopping. Everything is changing day by day. Now the
Yes, start discussion group number 1, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning everyone. Let me initiate the discussion about online shopping versus online shopping. Let me know that why new things has become a trend. Online shopping has become a trend in today's generation, and with the to purchase new things has become essential part of everyone's life.
offline shopping. Basically, there are two types of shopping: online shopping and offline shopping. But nowadays, there is a craze of online
Yes,
shopping.
my dear friends, in the offline shopping we can know
Stop
more
it guys,
about the
I think we have
offline
given the
shopping
chance.
and
Test number
we
8.
much have
तरह से देखा कि दो बच्चे यदि मुझे आउट करना हो इस ग्रुप में से तो मैं चाहूँ तो दो बच्चों को आउट कर सकता हूँ। अब डिपेंड करेगा कि आपका जो स्कोर बना था राउंड सेकंड में जो स्कोर बना है उसके स्कोर के साथ में मैं मर्ज करूँगा राउंड थर्ड का स्कोर और मुझे सेटिस्फैक्टरी स्कोर आपका नज़र आता है तो मैं इधर आपको पास कर सकता हूँ, इधर मैं आपको ग्रुप से डिसमिस कर सकता हूँ, डिस्क्वालीफाई यहाँ से कर सकता हूँ। तो इसी तरह से गाइस आज अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इसके ऊपर हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं। तो आई रेडी? यस सर। ओके, प्रोसेस एक बार फिर से मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ। सबसे पहले आपको पैराग्राफ राइट करना है, जो टॉपिक हम आपको बोल के सुनाएंगे सेम प्रोसेस आपको एज इट इज वहाँ पे फॉलो करना है। बाकी आपको जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलते हैं उनको ध्यान से सुनना है और उसी को फॉलो करना है, राइट? यस सर। उसके बाद में आपको इंडिविजुअल में किसी भी चेस नंबर से लीस्ट से या हाईएस्ट से आपको अपना इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ में टॉपिक डिस्क्रिप्शन को कहूँगा, वो आपका राउंड सेकंड होगा जिसके अंदर बच्चा अपना शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन देगा और टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब करेगा। उसके बाद में जैसे ही आपका नेक्स्ट टर्न के लिए कहा जाता है नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा और ये प्रोसेस तब तक चलेगा जब तक पूरे ग्रुप का नंबर नहीं आ जाता है। आज हमारे ग्रुप में बहुत सारे एडिशनल बच्चे हैं, इसलिए जैसे ही मैं राउंड थर्ड आपका स्टार्ट करूँगा जो कि जीडी के नाम से जाना जाता है, जिसमें हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे, उसमें आपके ग्रुप को 2 सब ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करके फिर हम लोग ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे। सो आर यू रेडी? सबसे पहले आपको एक सर्टेन टॉपिक में पढ़ करके सुनाऊंगा, वो की टॉपिक जिसमें से आपको कीवर्ड नोट करते हुए पैराग्राफ लिखना है। तो आर यू रेडी फॉर जॉटिंग कीवर्ड्स? यस सर। ओके, स्टार्ट राइट नाउ। ओके, अभी मैं आपको एक सर्टेन टॉपिक के ऊपर बोल के सुनाऊंगा। इस टॉपिक में से जो भी आपकी समझ में आता है वो अपनी आपका रफ पेज के अंदर कीवर्ड्स नोट करेंगे और इन्हीं कीवर्ड्स की हेल्प लेते हुए आप लोगों को फिर पेज के अंदर एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है। सो आर यू रेडी? यस सर। ये टॉपिक्स वैसे मैं मेरी बुक से ले रहा हूँ, तो आप चाहें तो इस बुक की हेल्प ले सकते हैं। स्टार्ट राइट नाउ। एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग डे बाय डे. It is true that the present world is a digital world. People are spending lots of time on a smartphone by using the internet. Now they prefer to shop online, but still there are some people who are performing offline shopping. Now the question is, which one is better? Some people prefer the traditional method of shopping. Some enjoy shopping online. Some prefer both the ways of shopping, but yeah, some are partially aware about the amazing trend of online shopping and thus prefer in-store shopping. Online shopping's advantage. It's an advantage for people that do online shopping. They can save their time. Most of the people are having busy schedules, and for them it's a boon. This isn't about buying the luxurious things from online, but now you can buy groceries and household things from online. People don't have too much time to go to any store physically to buy things, and for the online makes it easy. When you are shopping online, there is extra shipping charge, and for online shopping, people are getting lazy, and they also addict of mobile phones. If you buy something from online, then you have to wait for few days to get the product can't get the things immediately. The first problem is offline shopping is quality. You can't touch the product and even you can't see the product. For that there is like quality issue. Always there is a risk for paying online. There are so many fraud websites offering you various attractive features for online shopping. Offline shopping or it's also called traditional shopping. So advantage of offline or traditional shopping are these. Traditional shopping is very useful even in shopping the daily necessity items like shampoos, soaps, etc. Secondly, one could get the product immediately after the money is paid. Generally, the primary benefits of purchasing from a regular retailer are actually that a person can see what he or she is going to be getting prior to the purchase. For example, when shopping for clothing, in-store shopping is definitely a better option. The main reason is because you get to try on clothes. There are no worries about payment refunds and online frauds while you are doing traditional shopping. One can choose a product by touching it. Almost the multiple varieties of products is available in the store. Disadvantage of online shopping. The conventional shoppers are out stuck in traffic and waiting in lines for getting their turn to purchase things. Traditional shoppers have to walk, drive or can't get to the stores they want due to lack of time. Therefore, sometimes they have to compromise with products. There is time foundation for shopping on the shops and shopping stores. Usually they open in daytime only. So using the keywords, whatever you jotted into your page, you have to write a paragraph using the keywords in the page I have already given to you. So you have proper 10 minutes to complete this process. Just jot down your chase numbers on page, write a paragraph and submit it to me. Start right now. Okay, so today we are going to start the event number second means round second from highest chase number. And the highest chase number is chase number 86. Chase number 86 will introduce himself followed by the description of the given topic. So start right now.
Jai Hind to everyone. I am Sachin Kumar from Dhunu, Rajasthan. I passed my intermediate in 2021 with 91% marks from RBSE board. My father, Mr. Rajveer Singh, is a farmer. My mother, Mr. Sarda Devi, is a prepared homemaker. I want to become an airman, as you know about the dignity of this job. My hobbies are playing football and basketball in free time. That's all about myself. Let me introduce the topic: online shopping and offline shopping. Friends, we all know that today's world is world of technology and digital world, and many of our youth spend their time on the smartphones and internet, and they prefer online shopping at place of offline shopping, and they get and buy many things from offline, and they have lack of times.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Jitendra from Churu, Rajasthan. I am 20 years old. My father's name is Mr. Lichmaram. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Yumna Devi. She is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing chess and volleyball. I want to become an warrior as well as dignity of this job. I have positive attitude towards my life. That's all about me. Now I am going on topic online shopping versus offline shopping. Shopping simply means shopping buy a product by own choice. Shopping is an important role every person's life. So online shopping and offline shopping each have own advantage and disadvantage.
Next.
Hello friends, I am Mendra Kumar Sini from Jaipur in Rajasthan, which is famous as Pink City. My hobbies are listening music and visiting historical places. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. Now I would like to put my opinion to the given topic: online shopping and offline shopping versus offline shopping. Shopping is something that they never go out of style. One is always have to going to shopping and want new things. New things. Many people prefer online shopping and offline shopping. In online shopping, we have only the pictures and don't.
Next.
Hello everyone, I am Radhesham Chani from Nagaur in Rajasthan. I have recently passed BSc first year and I am pursuing BSc second year. My hobby is playing cricket and I am interested singing song. My dream is to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve the nation. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic online shopping versus offline shopping. It is advantage for people that through online shopping they can save our times. People don't have too much time to physically buy things. Online shopping it's make easy.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vijaypal Singh. I am from Bikaner, Rajasthan. I have passed my 12th class from RBSc board. Now I pursue my BSc from MDS University. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is job of pride and honor. I want to express my views on given topics, offline shopping versus online shopping. As we know that in this modern era, everyone want to use that online shopping because that they want to save their time and want to join so online product and they use the more and expensive online product because that they have more taxes on it and in a online product that have the more time used in the delivery but offline product.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ramdev Devasi from Nagaur in Rajasthan. I have passed 12th class with science stream from RBSc board. Now I am studying BSc final year from MDS University, Ajmer. My hobbies are playing volleyball and listening song. I want to join Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force is a job of honor and pride. I would like to tell you my thoughts on topic online shopping versus offline shopping. In present time, technology is increasing rapidly in our overall world. So in everything is changing day by day. It is true. So it is true that present world is a traditional world. So in present time, people are purchasing.
Next.
Good afternoon, respected sir and all my friends. I am Ramnyas Kalia from Namangarh, which is famous for Bhatnagar Fund. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my biggest aim of my life and I want to serve my country as well as advance the job. Now I am conveying my given topic that is related to online shopping versus offline shopping. Some people prefer online shopping but also some people also prefer in offline shopping. Today world is a digital world. So in my opinion online shopping is better because online shopping we can save our time in pandemic time.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Manish Gora and I belong to the city of Chorand, Rajasthan. I pursuing graduation in science stream and I completed 12th with 85% in the PCM. I am interested in playing cricket and reading books. I want to serve my country and Air Force gives me best opportunity to do so. Now I am going to project my view upon given this topic, offline shopping versus online shopping. Today's technology is increasing day by day and offline and online shopping both way for this shopping. That's our talk for this time. Online shopping is a very best method for this time. Urban areas people any facility provided in a delivery boy in a home, but remote areas not providing this not provided facility for
Next.
this time.
Good evening everyone. My name is Vikram Singh. I belong to Surat district of Rajasthan, which is famous for hottest and coldest area. My father Mr. Om Prakash is a farmer. My mother Mrs. Vimla Devi is a homemaker. I belong to a middle class family. We are 5 members in our family. We are 3 siblings. I have passed 12th class from RBSc board. Now I am pursuing graduation from Rajasthan University. My hobbies are playing outdoor and indoor games. I want to join Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force is a respectful job in our society and it is a job of honor and pride. Now I would like to convey my views on the given topic, which is online shopping versus offline shopping. At present time, technology system increasing day by day all over the world. Then any people start for the digitalization. The digitalization provide for the any online shopping platform. Then any shopping platform are available on the technology system, possible for the technology system. Then every person's use for the online.
Next.
Good afternoon friends. My name is Nitesh and I belong to the district of Rajasthan. My hobbies are playing games and solve mathematical problems. I want to join in Air Force because it's gives me an adventurous life. Now I would like to convey my views on the topic online shopping versus offline shopping. Both are the way of buying product. And in the digitalization, the online shopping is in a trend. And in the urban areas, the online shopping is the best way to shopping and provide the product in home delivery. But in the rural areas, this is the problem: the lack of internet and the not provide transaction system. So this is space problem. And many disadvantages of the online shopping is
Next.
Good evening, friends. I am Prakash Harik. I am from Churi, Rajasthan. I have passed my 12th class with 80% from Rajasthan board. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Bikaner University. My hobby is playing outdoor and indoor games. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides a golden opportunity to serve the nation in young age. Now I express my point of view on the given topic: is online shopping versus offline shopping. Shopping is a necessary part in our life. Today's world is digital world, and generally two types of shopping: online shopping and offline shopping. Some people prefer to shopping online and some people prefer to shopping offline. Online shopping and offline shopping have also advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of online shopping is time saving shopping. People do not waste their time to going market to shop, and no time limit in online shopping. We can buy anything by any place and anywhere.
Next.
Good morning, friends. I'm Muskan from Bhiwani in Haryana. I have recently passed class 12th with first division. My hobby is singing. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives us opportunity to serve our country at a young age. I'm going to present my views upon the given topic: online shopping versus offline shopping. Everything is changing day by day. Now, as we all know that the modern world is digital. So now the many people are spending their lot of time on the mobile phones. There are two modes of shopping: online shopping and offline shopping. Many people likes online shopping and some of the people like offline shopping, and many people are also who likes both the mode of shopping. There are their own set of advantages and disadvantages of online shopping and offline shopping. So now I'm going to present the views of the online shopping. Saves the time because when people don't have time to go out of their home, they can shop online various products like groceries and whole household products.
Next.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected sir and all my dear friend. I am Om Prakash Riyad from Jaipur in Rajasthan, which is famous for historical palace. My hobby is playing cricket and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force provide good facility and protected of motherland. In my opinion about the topic offline and online shopping. Online shopping allows customer to make purchases in any time 24 hours a day, but offline shoppings deal and product provide in limited time. Offline shoppings product check and feel the quality product, but online.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Ramesh Kumar and I belong to Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. My qualifications: basically I have completed class 12 from Rajasthan board and presently I am pursuing in graduation as well as the preparation of Indian Air Force. My hobbies are gardening and physical activities. My father is serving nation as a farmer. My mother is a perfect homemaker. My target: I want to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my view on given topic, that is online shopping versus offline shopping. As we all know that the present era is a digital era and everyone is prefer to online shopping because online shopping saves our time, but of online and offline shopping both have their own advantage and disadvantage. It is a matter of personal choice. Online shopping advantage: online shopping saves our time because everyone is busy in his work and we can easily buy a product from online shopping.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohit Kadwal and I belong to Shikar, which is located in Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class with PCM from RBSC board, and my hobbies is playing and watching cricket, listening to music, and I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation. Now I am going to express my views on the given topic, that is related to online shopping and offline shopping. At present, everything changing in day by day, and today's era is the digital world. So there are two types of shopping, like online shopping and offline shopping. Many people are prefer to online shopping and many people are prefer to offline shoppings, but some people are both type of shopping are prefer. So many advantage and disadvantage of offline shopping and online shopping. In online shopping, people are save money and save time. So we
Next.
have
Hello friends, I am Jyoti from Churu. I have done my graduation from a Bikaner University and my hobbies is listening music and self-study. And when I would spare my time, I would like to help my mother. I would join to Indian Air Force. Now I would like to tell you about the topic, and our topic is offline shopping versus online shopping. Today's world is a digital world, and the most of people has spending a lot of the time is on smartphone is using internet network. So the peoples of like to shops online, but as still because the most of peoples are shops of traditional, because this is our must of point that which is the better of the both of shoppings. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Surendra Tetrwar. I belong to Churu in Rajasthan. My qualification: I have completed graduation in Security University in Rajasthan. My hobbies: cricket playing and kabaddi. I want to join Indian Air Force. This job is give us a honor and pride. About dear friend, my point of view about the topic: online shopping versus offline shopping. Online shopping is a part of e-commerce. It is increasing day by day. Online shopping is advantage: saving money, saving times, no crowd, no pressure. Online shopping is the major problem of quality. You can't touch and you can't see the product.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sunil Kumar Yadav and I am from Sikar, Rajasthan, which is growing as an educational hub of India. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the most respected jobs in our country. Now I would like to express my views on the given topic that is related to online shopping versus online shopping. So friends, as you know, that today world is digital world. People prefer online shopping, but still there are some people who are preferring offline shopping. The online shopping, at the advantage of the online shopping, they can save their time and they can use it time to for their work. The disadvantage of the online shopping is the quality of the product. On the other hand, offline shopping is provide.
Good morning everyone, I am Priya from Jhunjhunu in Rajasthan. Now I am pursuing in BSc second year in mathematics from Sekhavati University. My hobby is playing outdoor games and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic: online shopping versus offline shopping. Everything is changing day by day. It is true that the present world is a digital world. People are spending a lot of time on smartphones by using their internet. Now they prefer to shop offline, but still there are many people who are preferring the offline shopping. Where it is an advantage for the people for online shopping, they can save their time and...
Next.
Good morning everyone. I am Ayush from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have recently passed my BSc second year from Sekar University. Now I am pursuing in BSc final year. My hobbies are playing cricket and other outdoor games. I also love traveling. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. Today I am going to present my own views on the given topic: online shopping versus offline shopping. Everything is changing day by day, and it is true that today's world is a digital world. In my point of view, online shopping is better than offline shopping because everyone is busy in today's life. No one has no time to go to the market to buy the new products. So they used to prefer online shopping rather than offline shopping. But some people prefer offline shopping because the quality of product are not very good in online shopping. It is very good in offline shopping. We can check the product and we can check the quality of product in offline shopping. Thank you.
Next.
Hello everyone, I am Pramant Kumar from Sikar in Rajasthan. I have passed 10 plus 2 with PCM in 2021 and presently I am pursuing for graduation. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force and I am confident that I will achieve this one day. Now I am going to present my views on the given topic that is related to offline shopping versus online shopping. Today's era is the era of technology and most of people spending time on smartphones by internet. Most of people prefer to online shopping, but some
Stop.
people.
ओके गाइस, तो ये था आपका राउंड सेकंड. आपके 3 राउंड हो गए. पहला राउंड आपका पैराग्राफ राइटिंग हो गया. दूसरा राउंड आपका पर्सनल डिस्क्रिप्शन मतलब सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ में टॉपिक डिस्क्रिप्शन जिसे हम SD एंड TD परफॉर्म करना कहते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चों में छोटे छोटे लैकिंग्स हैं जो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. शॉपिंग्स नहीं होता है. शॉपिंग्स नहीं होता है. पहले मैंने आपको एक बार बताया कि फीमेल्स नहीं होता, मेल्स नहीं होता, पीपल्स नहीं होता, चिल्ड्रंस नहीं होता. वैसे ही शॉपिंग्स भी नहीं होता है. कुछ बच्चों ने आज शॉपिंग्स यूज़ किया. कुछ बच्चे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी के चलते हुए इतने डिसऑर्डर्ड हो जाते हैं कि क्या टॉपिक था और क्या बोले जा रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ये स्थिति हुई चीज नंबर 29. 29 बहुत अच्छी प्रिपरेशन के साथ में आते हैं, मगर आज प्रेशर हो सकता है कैमरा का फील कर रहे हो या फिर गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ का कंबाइंड वेजेस का प्रेशर फील कर रहे हो, उसके चलते डिसऑर्डर हो गए हैं। वैसे ही हमारे चेस नंबर 71 है जिनको हमने बहुत बार समझाया है, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके आए ताकि आपका इंप्रेशन अच्छा जाए। यदि कोई भी कैंडिडेट वहाँ पे जाएगा, सबसे पहला इंप्रेशन आपका इंट्रोडक्शन रहेगा। हो सकता है कि आपसे इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं लिया जाए, वो एक अलग बात है। तो यदि आपको मैंने कहा था कि शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन रखना, तो इंट्रोडक्शन को बहुत शॉर्ट रखना था, जैसे कि बहुत लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन एक बच्चे ने रखा है यहाँ पे, जैसे कि आपने 13 इंट्रोडक्शन अपना बहुत लंबा रख दिया। तो इंट्रोडक्शन को बहुत शॉर्ट रखना है। जब भी शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन का कहा जाए तो अपना नाम, नेटिव प्लेस, अपनी हॉबी और ड्रीम बताना है, और इंट्रोडक्शन में कुछ भी नहीं बताना होता है। टॉपिक को जितना लंबा आप लिख सकते हैं वो आपके लिए प्लस लगेगा। ओके, छोटे छोटे लैकिंग्स में ये था कि कोई बच्चा धीरे बोल रहा है, कोई बच्चा नज़र चुरा रहा है, कोई बच्चा नज़र मिला रहा है। ये सारी चीज़ें आपको जो इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलते हैं उनको फॉलो करते हुए करना है। स्पेशली नज़र मिलाना वहाँ पे लगभग अवॉइड रहता है, तो आपको नज़र मिलाने का प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है। कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स की तरफ देख करके अपना काम चलाना है, राइट। पोजीशन पे ध्यान रखना है, जिस पोजीशन में बैठे हैं उस पोजीशन को होल्ड करके रखना है। किसी का अंगूठा हिल रहा है, किसी का हाथ हिल रहा है, किसी का पैर हिल रहा है, फिजिकली मूवमेंट आप में बहुत अच्छे होने चाहिए। ओके, ये था आपका राउंड सेकंड। राउंड 6 में ठीक परफॉर्मेंस निकल करके आ रहा है। नए और पुराने बच्चे सारों का एक मिंगल करके ग्रुप बनाया है मैंने, और गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ को भी मैंने मिंगल करके बड़ा ग्रुप आज बना दिया है, जिसकी वजह से हो सकता है थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आए। इसलिए आगे जो राउंड थर्ड होगा उसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको नहीं आने देंगे। इसके लिए हम करेंगे आपके ग्रुप के 2 टुकड़े, और मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता हूँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। चेस नंबर 2 से लगाकर चेस नंबर 37 तक दिस विल बी ग्रुप नंबर 1, and remaining candidates from chess number 40 to chess number 86 will remain into group number 2. So I'm going to invite group number 1 to discuss about the topic. Yes, start discussion. Group number 1, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning everyone. Let's initiate the discussion about online shopping. As we all know that why new things has become a trend. Online shopping has become a trend in today's generation, and the to purchase new things has become essential part of everyone's life.
Offline shopping. Basically, there are 2 types of shopping: online shopping and offline shopping. But nowadays there is a craze of online shopping.
Yes, chess number 37, I fully agree with you. Online shopping is better than offline shopping because it saves us money and saves us lot of time. We do not need to go to the market and to buy new products.
Yes, online shopping has made people is lazy and they have not time to go retailer.
Yes, friends, as we know, the present world is a digital world. People are preferring online shopping. Online shopping both have advantage and the disadvantage. The advantage is they have a lot of choices, and the disadvantage is quality checking of the product.
Yes, online shopping is the best way. We can find the product like one person who has the business who has the online shopping are the better.
Because but the online shopping has the people are spending her money in because today's the fraud system is opportunity in the world.
Online shopping is the biggest disadvantage of online shopping because the cybercrime increasing and
In online
paying
shopping,
money
there
is
is a
also
risk
a
of online payment because there are many fake websites which will increase the risk of online payment for customers.
But online shopping it takes too much time to product to reach us.
Very low in that product.
I think the offline shopping is the better from the online shopping.
In today's generation, people don't have too much time to go to the market new products. So online shopping, they prefer the online shopping not beside the offline shopping.
Yes, dear friend, I agree with you. And
Because online shopping is nowadays popular in groceries and household things.
Yes, we can't buy the luxurious product from the online shopping because there are lots of fraud websites on the online shopping.
And the friend, online shopping have a lot of varieties that does not have offline shopping.
But I think the offline shopping is best because in the offline shopping the people are immediately on the money and buy the see and
Yes, my
touch on
dear
the
friend,
product.
in offline shopping we paid money and we immediately get our products, but in the online shopping we wait for few days.
But just number 30, in online shopping we got many product discounting.
in online shopping, a biggest advantage of
Which
the
increases the confidence level of customers to buy the product.
But the best advantage of online shopping is that we can buy products from our home.
In online shopping, people are buying a product. Shopping is also
Yes, my dear friends, in the offline shopping, we can know
Stop
more
it, guys.
about the
I think we have
offline
given two
shopping
chance.
and
Test number
we
8.
much have fun in the offline shopping.
So friends, as we know, online shopping is a lot of varieties and product is very quality. So thank you.
But in online shopping, the main problem was size. Because we can't get the real size that we ordered.
I know offline shopping is very time consuming, but it gives us the quality of product.
Yes, my friends, on online shopping is time saving and budget times. More people depend on online shopping.
But online shopping also makes us phone addicted.
Yes, my dear friends, online shopping makes children and adults phone addicted and lazy.
In online shopping, some disadvantages like the return policy are had to not too easy.
But friend, in the village area, people do not order the online order due to the lack
Okay,
of-
stop guys, stop. इधर सब ग्रुप नंबर 1 देखा कि लगभग गर्ल्स ने डोमिनेट किया बॉयज को। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, केवल 3 गर्ल्स थे जिसमें जो ने बहुत शानदार बोला। एक थोड़ा प्रेशर फील कर रही होगी शायद, इसलिए नहीं बोल पा रही है। और जैसा कि देखा गया, कॉन्फिडेंस जिन बच्चों का था उन्होंने बहुत शानदार डिलीवर किया। कंटेंट आपका हो सकता है कि आपने 10 मिनट में बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर कर लिया होगा, डजेंट मैटर, बट डिलीवरी आपकी कहीं ना कहीं लेकिन हुई है। चेस नंबर 20 की डिलीवरी प्रॉपर नहीं है। इसी तरह से चेस नंबर 30 में ठीक ठीक प्रयास किया है, मान सकते हैं। बाकी ठीक ठीक डिलीवरी भी है। चेस नंबर 7 से प्रॉपर डिलीवरी नहीं हो पाई है। इस तरह से देखा कि 2 बच्चे यदि मुझे आउट करना हो इस ग्रुप्स में से, तो मैं चाहूँ तो 2 बच्चों को आउट कर सकता हूँ। अब डिपेंड करेगा कि आपका जो स्कोर बना था राउंड सेकंड में जो स्कोर बना है उसके स्कोर के साथ में मैं मर्ज करूँगा राउंड थर्ड का स्कोर, और मुझे सेटिस्फैक्टरी स्कोर आपका नज़र आता है तो मैं इधर आपको पास कर सकता हूँ, इधर मैं आपको ग्रुप से डिसमिस कर सकता हूँ, डिस्क्वालीफाई यहाँ से कर सकता हूँ। Now the subgroup number 2 will start discussion. Everybody will try to initiate the group discussion. Start right now. 3, 2, 1.
Because online shopping also saves our time, so that online shopping is better.
I have many advantages like that. Number of products available in the market and the number of
Online shopping save time and online shopping give a big opportunity to.
Yes, friend, I am agree with you. Today generation are very smart. That's online shopping is increasing, and that's.
Yes, my friend, and some people they work in a night job and they cannot go in the market, so the online shopping is the best way to.
Yes, my pandemic time is so far closed. So we have multiple choice in online shopping because we choose many type of product in online shopping, and also delivery charge is less. We have no headache of delivery in.
Yes, my friend, but rural areas people start preparing offline shopping because rural areas people do not have a smartphones and do not have knowledge and experience about online shopping.
The benefit of online shopping is we can about any product about all over the world which is don't found in nearby us.
So this is because get a product immediately.
More discount on online shopping because that they get more and quality product because in this online shopping that product they should compromise with the product.
We don't touch the product and we can see the product.
Online shopping in any product, healthy product are
which
purchased in the time
do
together
not
with
go to
any
market for purchasing
groceries and any household
So
product are
it
purchased in the
online
online
shopping
platform.
people.
But my friend, many times fraud cases are reported in online shopping at price of offline shopping. Then offline shopping is secure than online shopping.
Online shopping is beneficial for the every person because the online shopping in the other apps provide for the discount like in the cashback and the other discount. Then the attract for the many persons use for the online shopping. It is the best.
Yes, my friend.
Why a product online shopping is better?
The main disadvantage of online shopping is replace policy. Many people face the
Yes, my friend, but online shopping is beneficial.
In online shopping, that people have not to do bargaining because that they have to online.
Some companies are
product
not
rate
provide
is
that
fixed.
written policies and some companies doing a fraud with people.
But we have had experience in offline shopping because we can touch and feel our product, and also we try our product in offline shopping.
In this time,
That is not possible in
increasing
online.
online shopping, every people not go for any shops physically. Then the increasing for the online shopping.
Yes, but online shopping does not get our product immediately.
Product quality and we can check customer review.
Yes, sir. Yes, every online shopping.
ओके स्टॉप डिस्कशन। ओके, ये तो था हमारा आज का ग्रुप नंबर 2 देखा गया है कि यदि कोई स्टेटमेंट डिलीवर हो जाए जो अनयूजुअल लगे किसी बच्चे को, तो आपको वहाँ पे अपनी सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल करना है, अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करना, हंसना नहीं है, जैसा चीज नंबर 82 हंस रहे थे। यदि ऐसी कोई एक्टिविटी आप करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ा नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा किसी भी प्रकार से। अरे फोन तो साइलेंट कर दे भाई, साइलेंट कर इसको। किसी भी प्रकार की अनयूजुअल एक्टिविटी तब हो सकती है जब कोई बच्चा ऐसा बोल रहा हो जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया हो। जल्दबाजी में होता है, कैंडिडेट वहाँ पे प्रेशर में होता है, तो उसके मुंह से बोलना कुछ जाता है, निकल कुछ जाता है। जैसे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग लोगों के लिए इसने बोला हर, केस नंबर 23 ने अपने ग्रुप डिस्कशन बोला था हर, तो सारे लोग हर नहीं हो सकते। किसी बच्चे को यदि ध्यान से सुन रहा हो तो उसको हंसी आ सकती है। ऐसे में आपको अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करना है। ये एक गलत एक्टिविटी की तरह वहाँ पे नोट की जाती है, तो थोड़ा ये ध्यान रखना है। फिजिकल मूवमेंट का मैंने पहले बताया था, ध्यान रखना है। फिजिकली कोई मूवमेंट नहीं करना है, आपको अपने शरीर पे कंट्रोल रखना है। ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि मैं न सिर्फ डिस्कशन कर रहा हूँ बल्कि जिंदा हूँ और मेरे हाथ और पैर भी वो कभी काम कर सकते हैं बीच में, जब तक आप उनका ध्यान नहीं रखें। रेडी? ओके, अब हम मिलते हैं अगले डिस्कशन में। ये थे आपकी कुछ कमियां जो मैंने आपको बता दी है। जो कमियां आपकी लगेगी मैं इंप्रूव करता जाऊंगा। कुल मिला के देखा जाए तो आज 2 गर्ल्स ने बहुत अच्छे से डोमिनेट किया बॉयज़ के ग्रुप को। तो हमारा टैगलाइन रहेगा कि किस तरह से गर्ल्स ने बॉयज़ को डोमिनेट किया। थैंक यू।